Hi guys, welcome back to the channel, and we're back on with the Mini Mayfair. So what has today's episode got in store? Stuff has already been welded to stuff. The grinder has already lost its guard, and more fresh steel goes into the car. So I have been a little bit busy off camera. That is mainly because last weekend I stuck the camera on, thought I'd get some filming done, let's get some work done, and I had such a bad cold, when I watched it back I couldn't even understand myself, so it was never going to edit. So instead of doing nothing, I just cracked on. So I'll show you where I'm up to now, and we'll get caught up and then we'll get on. On the inside of the car, the M machine floor repair is in, front to back, all connected up. That is all done. Connected to this, connected to that, it's connected to this. It's all done. Episode before, we got the little quarter panel in. Like I say, that will need a skimper filler. Whoever's doing the paintwork on the car will need to put something in it, but it's solid. In this episode, what I'd like to do is get the seal on. So we've got the Heritage outer seal here. Like I always try and do, that is the part number if you need one. We're going to get that on today. Then that buttons up this side completely. Then what we do is we'll get on with the other side. So I'll film as much as I possibly can with this. I am literally probably got a matter of days to get this car ready for James to collect. So there's a lot of work to do because we've got to repeat this to the other side. So there's going to be a lot less talking, which you'll be pleased to know, and just a lot of time lapse in, guys. I will put like little snippets in or talk over it or whatever, what I'm doing if there's something that you're not too sure about. But basically just want to document this car till the end of the time it's with me, and we're just going to get on with it. So I'll explain at the end of the video why. But we've got these floors to do and both doors to skin. So in my head, I'm going to get the floors done, then we'll skin the doors. So sit back, relax and enjoy what I hope is a lot of time lapse in. So let's see how much we can get done. Remember guys, if you haven't already, smash that like button. It is just there, it's easy, and it's the best way to help the channel. If you want to do more, you can become a member, that would be awesome. I do have a Patreon account as well, however I'm still getting my head around it and working it out and posting on loads of different social media stuff, but I do post some bits and pieces up on there, like stuff that you don't see normally. Likewise on the membership thing, so whichever one, I'm not begging you, but if you wouldn't mind donating, obviously that's a massive help for us. And then hit that subscribe button if you haven't already, because there's still 60% of viewers are not subscribed, which is mental. So please subscribe to the channel. When this video is filmed, I think we're nearing 11,000, which is amazing. And while you're down there in the description and stuff looking for the membership, there's obviously links to our merch, which is currently on the eBay shop. So we've got hats and stickers at the moment, and obviously please go check out both of our sponsors. We have Minimine, there's a discount code now on the screen for 10% off when you spend £15 or more on their eBay store. That is massive help for the channel as well, and obviously you get your bits for your Mini. All the panels and stuff like that came from them. On the subject of Minimine, they have launched their new website, so go check it out. There's still items being added. There's so much in the shop that's not on the website yet, so please go check it out. There is also some bits and pieces like news and stuff that's going on behind the scenes, Minimine, all on that, so please go check that out as well. It's a big help for them. And obviously we've got frost restoration as well. Inside this seal and stuff like that was all frost seam sealer, frost paint and stuff like that. So that's all being sorted, and that's a massive help. There's a discount code for them down below as well, so go and check them out. Right, enough talking, let's get welding, grinding. grinding.
Right, so I thought I'd just bring you back in after all the cleaning back. There we have it. Really, really nice. You can see obviously the good weld penetration all the way along there and on the inside of the new floor. So we're just going to put some etch primer on it. This is some stuff from Frost. It's not bad. It's decent product and it gives a good key when you start wanting to paint. So obviously this car lives outside currently, so I want to get something on it. We'll let that go off and then we'll come back to the painting side of things like the seam sealer and paint. We'll try and hit that in one go, but just get some paint on it for now and then we can move the car around.
Boom! In true YouTube magic, she's the other way around and set up ready for work again. So I think we're running out of time. I know it looks light on the camera, but it is actually getting dark. We'll have a look and see what we've got going on this side. I've just noticed I haven't even taken the seal off this side and I thought I had. So that's one job to do. We'll get stuck into this side. For me it'll be tomorrow, for you the next episode. Let's get stuck into it, I think. So we've got that seal on, floor repair and stuff in that side. I know you didn't see it, but I think we'll finish this episode off now. We're just seeing just how bad this side is. I mean, it doesn't look great.
Right, so that's the overseal. So you can really see just quite how far under they go. They go right up to hit the next flute. So all this obviously needs to come out. I think we did start to chop the seal, yeah, because it's loose there, just to see quite how bad things are. All the same issues. I don't quite know how bad this side is really. I don't know if it's a better side or not. I imagine we're going to use that floor repair again. Yeah, it's gone like right up in there and stuff like that. So you guys can see that. It's gone all like up inside there, so you guys can see. The overseal came right up to under here, so you got your floor pan profile there, which has had a section put in by the looks of it. The new floor actually doesn't completely get rid of all that, in all honesty. We go through the first, you got two drain plugs, goes through the centre of the two, but it is solid, that bit. It needs tidying up a bit though, so we'll sort that out. But yeah, the aim of this game is to make this car solid, and that's what we're going to do. Obviously we want it to be nice and safe for James. Go from there. This side obviously I've had the doorstep done. You can see it's shiny up there. We've already done that, so we'll get that brace bar in. We've got this in place ready. I think we'll just get the floor cut out and then go from there, get rid of all this. You probably noticed on the other side I get rid of the jacking points. They were normally rotten, so I cut them out and then I put a little plate over it just so it's not another rust hole, another rust trap. But yeah, you can see this has had loads of little bits of weld stuffed into that, if you guys can quite see that. So yeah, that's not ideal. But yeah, it's a shame really, because it's just ruined the original floor. So we'll get it cut out and we'll get going there. Winner. Right, so I wanted to achieve a little bit more in this episode. I've been out here since 9:30 and it's now 4 o'clock, so it's quite a lot done. We finished off that floor, and I got the seal in, all painted, all seam sealed in there. Obviously this temperature, everything takes a bit longer to do. But yeah, in the next episode, I wanted to kind of get on with this side really in this episode, but we'll save it for the next one. There won't be a lot of me talking. I have promised that in this episode, but there's a bit more of that, because I'm, like I say, crunched for time, because this beautiful carport. So yeah, that's going. And I need to get rid of some cars from around me, so the most sensible thing is to get rid of the ones that aren't mine. James wants to get this painted, now it's the new year, and hopefully this car might, you know, see some fresh paint and get put together throughout the year, which would be really nice. So I need to get it back to him in order for that to happen. Yeah, exciting, but I've got like a matter of
what feels like about 4 days left to work on this car and get it to the point it can be put on a trailer and go. So yeah, not ideal, but catch you next one, guys. Like ever, I massively appreciate your support. So I mentioned the previous statement, just hit that subscribe button, give this video a thumbs up, and we're going to get over this. This is going to be a bit rattled out a bit quicker than I wanted it to, and less detail than I wanted, but unfortunately that happens. Life is throwing me some curveballs the last few months, so it's good. It's all for the positive side of things, you know, but we're going to lose this beautiful carport, so it means the Amazon needs to go somewhere and stuff like that, so I've got loads of stuff to sort out. So thank you very much for watching. Stay safe, look after yourselves, and during the next episode, when it'll be a bit of a longer episode, and we'll basically get everything done. So yeah, catch you soon.